Hello, dolls and gents. Welcome to another review. This is the Biore Baking Soda Acne Cleansing Foam. I did receive this product complimentary from Biore Skincare and the Octoly family. I'm going to link down below where you can find this product and all the information on it. I'm going to tell you my first thoughts on this product. It retails for $6.49. And it is a baking soda scrub. I have used several products from Biore and I don't have any complaints about the product at all. I'm going to go ahead and show you how the product works. This is the foam, and it is a baking soda foam. I love their products. Their products always make me feel like my skin is really getting like clean. I don't know if it's the baking soda. I reviewed like 2 other products for you from Biore, and I think one was a baking soda scrub. And I just always feel like my face is clean and getting clean when I use it. It helps to clear acne in just 2 days. It says it is a froth thick foam formula that deep cleans with baking soda and salicylic acid that prevents breakouts and helps the skin look clearer and feel clearer. I don't have any acne right now, but I am super oily. Everyone knows that whenever you have oily skin, you can be prone to acne and prone to breakouts. So I always try to use cleansers. I always try to use face cleansers and face scrubs that have salicylic acid in it. I always try to use face cleansers and face scrubs that will help prevent me from having these issues, because I can have these issues. I love their products. I do recommend them, not just for the review, but just because I know how their products work, and what they have in it is very helpful. And I think that's why I haven't had too many breakouts or too many issues with acne and with my face, is because I use products that are going to be helpful to it. It is formulated for combination skin. I am oily, as I said before. It's a daily cleanser that gently removes daily dirt and oil to achieve a deep clean without over cleansing or stripping your face of its moisture. So once again, I said this retails for $6.49. My face feels clean. I love the way it makes my face feel. I don't have any issues when I use the product. It is pH balanced. It is oil free. This is what it looks like. I love the pump. The pump allows you to just pump out some. You saw how it came out on my hand, very thick and frothy. It is a wonderful product. You guys go check out the links down below. Go follow them on Instagram. Follow them on Facebook, Octoly and Biore. They have some absolutely wonderful products for the skin, okay? You've seen me do other reviews, like I said, for them, and I don't have anything bad to say about it. There's no reaction, there's no fragrances, there's no crazy smells. It does exactly what it says: clears up blemishes, penetrates pores to control blemishes, and helps prevent new blemishes from forming. So if you're a person that has those type of problems, I definitely recommend this product. Make sure you go and follow them. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thank you, Octoly and Biore. Your products never fail. Absolutely love it. And I'll see you guys in the next review.